I will be happy to just score, not to win. I don't even if I lose 3-4, 3-2, it's fine. As long as I score, I will be happy. Wow, it seems easy, but it's not easy. I know it's not easy. It's not easy. This is something that is I never win so easily. France has got a very strange setup. France doesn't have a midfield. I can pass them so easily. No. This is the kind of pass between the defender and the goalkeeper that the computer does all the time. Oh, now they start turning the ball. See? Yeah, Batistuta. 4 goals in 25 minutes. Let's see. 4 goals in 26 minutes. Oh, whoops. Yeah. I don't know how to defend. No! No. Usually I don't score every shot, so this game is really weird. Usually I score 1 goal every probably 10 or 8 shots. So that was very, very lucky. First half. I see. They score. They score. Oh. Yeah, Batistuta. Wow, 5 goals in 1 game. No. Yeah, 6 in 1 game. Wow. Maybe he's not injured. Let's see. Batistuta. Oh. No. No. Okay, 6-4. I think I would have lost this game 4-2 if I was not so precise. No. Oh, let's see. Still can be a draw. Oh, no! Pull up! Oh! Sì, it's a draw. I'm horrible in defending. Until I learn how to defend. Until I... Wow, Batistuta! 7 goals. 1 game. Wow! Batistuta! 7. Oh! I know now everybody knows what is my weakness. My weakness is defending. I don't know how to defend. Batistuta 7 goals. Wow, 7 goals in 13 shots. I almost score one goal per shot. So 7 goals. Wow, 6-7. This is in the history, really. Wow, amazing. I never scored so many goals. Maybe he's on fire, Batistuta. Batistuta is on fire. Oh! Mamma mia. Oh. No! Ah, Chami's head. Oh! No, penalty. Sometimes they give you a penalty. It's not always Christmas, isn't it? It's not all every day Christmas. Christmas is tomorrow. Not today. I scored so many goals last game. Now I cannot score a goal. No! No! Ah! No! Oh! No! Mamma mia. Ah. No. 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 Oh! No! Madò! No! I don't deserve to lose. No. I didn't deserve to lose, really. They're scoring 7 goals to France. Such tough 0-0. Yeah, but I still did 13 shots, 12 shots on target. Same shots as against France. See, this game is really like not inconsistent. I mean, you can do 1 shot, 1 goal, and then you can do 12 shots, 0 goal. Oh. No, where is the defender? Nah. No, it's their turn now. It's their turn to shoot now. They will score. Unfortunately, I didn't score. Oh. Yeah, oh madonna mia! Porca zozza! Oh! Madonna mia, I was so unlucky! I think Batistuta is too slow. He's injured. Batistuta is slow injured. Why is he running so slowly? Mamma mia, Croatia is so tough. I cannot score a goal now. Cannot score. This is gonna be in the history of the game. 7 goals in one game, 0 goals scored afterwards. Oh. I'm saving myself. I'm still myself. Oh! I cannot score. After scoring 7 goals the first game, I cannot score anymore. Ah! Ah! Oh! 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 Batistuta could not save a goal for the other rest of the game. I was gonna lose against France. No. 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 It was too difficult. No. Mamma mia. Ah, Madonna mia. I cannot score anymore. Another 0-0. After scoring 7 goals. Look at this. 7 goals scored, 6 conceded. So, wow. Brazil is at the top. And now I play against... I need to win now against Brazil. Unbelievable. I don't know. How can I score against France? 7. I scored 7 goals against France. Then in this video, just watch the first game. Skip the Holland and Croatia. No. Yeah, finally. Skip the game against Croatia and Holland. Oh. 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 Mamma sa. Oh no! Oh. Mannaggia miseria. Oh. Mannaggia miseria. Oh. I don't see the ball. No. Yeah, after France, I'm not able to score, really. I'm struggling to score. I even think to cut the video. I can cut the video and just put the game against France. Oh! Oh. E passa la porca Giuda! No. I need to cut this video then. I just put the game against France. Mannaggia miseria! No. No. Oh, it's not even corner. Oh. That was the chance of the game. No. It's 1-1, 1-1. I think I had somebody injured, I think. Somebody was injured because I don't understand why it's not performing. They're not performing anymore. They're not performing. I had 3 draw after that amazing win. 1 win and 3 draw. Brazil. I cannot reach Brazil mathematically. Even if I win against Morocco. Brazil won the league. Let's see if Batistuta is injured. No, nobody's injured. Okay, I think just watch the game against France and the last 2, the one Brazil and Morocco. Just keep the draw, the boring draw with Netherlands and Croatia. This is not gonna be boring, this game. Oh. See, it's not boring. But it was offside, look. Maybe he didn't touch. But there was no offside in this game. No offside. I can score easily against Morocco. No. No. Yeah, easy against Morocco. See, sometimes you need to pass on the back, behind, and then just for that, create some space. Okay, then it means that I don't know how to play against Netherlands and Croatia. Oh. Oh! I need to create a little bit of space. Yeah, see? This is the way you play. You create space and then you score. But it's very boring the way I play, but what can I do? This is the only way I know how to play. If you know any other way to score, let me know. But yeah, this is the way I know. This method does not work when the team has got a very strong midfield. The way I play, it doesn't work against Croatia and against Brazil, against Netherlands. He works only against team with a weak midfield. Oh. And no. How to switch player? Oh. Oh, what a rubbish. Create space. Like this. No! No, I cannot get control of the ball. No. No. Oh. This was tough. I'm not gonna win the league, but I scored many goals against France and also not bad against Morocco. So in total, how many goals Batistuta scored? Maybe 12? Let's have a look. I'm happy with the second place. Let's see, second place. Let's see, statistic. Batistuta. Wow! 12 goals in 5 games. Gabriel Batistuta. Wow. I mean, the guy from France scored 5, but he scored 4 goals against me. So, Bebeto, okay, Beneto, Ginola. Ginola also scored 2 against me. Yeah. Pooh. Okay, wow, this is unbelievable. Gabriel Batistuta, 12 goals in 5 games. Unbelievable. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.